Hello students, we are in 15th exercise problem of chapter 10. The question is, for sound waves the Doppler formula for frequency shift differs slightly between two situations. If you consider source at rest and observer moving, and then if you consider source moving and observer at rest. In case of the Doppler formula for the light waves in vacuum are however strictly identical for these two situations. Explain why this should be so. Uh, would you expect the formula to be strictly identical for the two situations in case of light traveling in the medium? Now, let me first explain the question. Question here is, consider that there is a source of sound. Okay, let this be source of sound and this is listener. So, velocity of source is 0, velocity of listener is 0, and in this case, whatever is the frequency of sound emitted, frequency of source is equal to frequency experienced by listener. But what if we consider that source of the sound is moving, maybe in either direction, and then you consider listener to be at rest. Consider other case where source of sound is steady, velocity is 0, and listener is moving. So what we can expect in these two cases, the apparent frequency will be same or not. So in this case, apparent frequencies will not be same because velocity of sound depends on medium. Okay, and hence when you consider source to be steady and source to be moving, Fs is affected. Even though relative velocities are same in these two cases, but yet the apparent frequency will not be same. Whereas if we consider similar situation for light, then in case of vacuum, the velocity of light remains same, 3 lakh kilometer per second. So suppose if we consider this to be torch, okay, and if medium is vacuum, then this both situations are identical in case of light because velocity of light remains same. And as long as relative velocities are same, it makes no difference whether source is moving or observer is moving. Okay, but again, in case of a medium, if we consider Doppler effect of light for some medium, then you will have to take care of what is the velocity of light in the given medium. Thank you.